Guys, with so much red in the marketplace right now, a lot of people are concerned. Are they concerned for good reason? Are we headed down further? These are questions that I'm going to be answering in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down. So you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals, and if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip. That rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well. I also go over your portfolio and a lot of other services as well. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you use that link and deposit any amount, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, tap that like button. It really does help with the growth of the channel. Guys, it's nothing to worry about when you see red for a couple of days on the crypto charts. It's completely normal for a healthy bull run. Because of futures expirations, we also have a good bit of suppression. The fear of inflation puts a bit of fear into folks to pull their money out of the stock market and cryptos. Only for a bit though. It might only be for 24 or 48 hours, because just after that, folks are going to pour into cryptos like never before, because when they see that inflation is only increasing, they use cryptos as a hedge against inflation. At least the smarter folks do, the smart money and the whales. Guys, this volatility is what allows us to make so much money on my Patreon. When it dips low enough, I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy in, and then when it reaches its cycle top, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell. If we didn't have these dips and peaks, we wouldn't be able to make the money. So this volatility is really what you want. These dips, these red days are completely normal, and like I said, very good news for people that want to buy at great prices. Guys, people got rich on crypto, not because they bought in on the uptrend, but because they bought in on the dips when they were steep enough so that there's only a short period of time before we see profits, just as I've done time and time again. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software, especially in a very short period of time, because people have to take profits when we reach that peak, and it obviously causes the price to go down, especially if it's a billionaire or a millionaire taking those profits at the top. Guys, you want to swim with the whales and do exactly what they're doing, just as I've been doing for 13 years. You want to be doing exactly the opposite of what your emotions tell you to do. Guys, when you get FOMO and you want to buy in on the uptrend, you definitely don't want to do that. And then when you don't want to be in cryptos, when they dip very, very low, that's when you want to have some cash on the side to buy those dips. Guys, some huge news. An article came out titled, AMC Theaters to accept Shiba Inu as payment within 2 to 4 months. They already accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos, so why not Shiba Inu? It's going to be accepted through BitPay wallets, which Adam, the CEO of AMC, has just announced. Guys, this is huge and likely to cause millions of dollars to pour into Shiba Inu, maybe even billions within a very short period of time. You're going to want to get in before this happens and be positioned very well. So I will be including Shiba Inu in the dips that I call out. After several weeks of literally straight green days for a lot of our top favorite crypto, it's completely normal for us to have this corrections cool downs phase. However, we still continue on our uptrend. Guys, another article came out titled, Bitcoin due to hit 90K in the coming weeks. Despite the pullback, it's the latest technical analysis. It's a case of, if in doubt, zoom out, as Bitcoin heads for a showdown with Taproot and ETF approvals. Guys, back when I mentioned Floki Inu right at the start, if you had invested at that time, you would have already 5x'd your money. With billboards popping up in cities all over America, they have a great roadmap ahead, including NFTs and even a video game that will run on the Metaverse. Guys, it's remaining stable on the charts right now, and inevitably will pump very, very hard, easily 100x just within a few years if it continues on its trend. And guys, its trend is to pump very much every time Elon Musk tweets out a photo of his dog named Floki. Guys, that's what this crypto is technically based on. I could easily see this coin being the next Dogecoin, or even surpassing Shiba Inu and Dogecoin eventually. Guys, you're going to want to get in before it starts being listed on the major exchanges. Guys, it's already on the Gate.io exchange, which makes it easy for purchase, allowing you to get in before this thing 50x's or 100x's with a massive bull run like we saw in Shiba Inu recently. And guys, when we take a look at the Dogecoin charts, as you can see, we are headed down a bit simply because, like I said, with any strong bull run, we have to have a cooldowns corrections phase. But guys, as I see right here, this is a very bullish symbol. It's a double bottom. Guys, after a double bottom, we generally head straight up from here, which means right now is really the perfect time to buy in. So you're going to want to have some cash on the side to buy the dip when I call it out, when I see that it's steep enough. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.